What is going on, guys? It's your boy Miguel here, back at it with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video for this Civivi knife right here. This one specifically, the Civivi Ortis, right? At first I thought it was pronounced Ortiz, right? Because I know in Spanish that is some of the people I know's last name, but apparently it's pronounced Ortis. So the Civivi Ortis is what we're going to be unboxing today. I got a chance to actually pick up this guy in Knife Works. It's a huge knife shop over in Tennessee, right? And yeah, this one I've been eyeing for a while, and I finally decided to pull the trigger. And you guys are gonna see why in just a moment. This knife is as sexy, as attractive as it gets. On the box, you got Civivi branding, of course, lifetime warranty in the back, and of course some information here about the knife. This one is a blue fiberglass reinforced nylon, so FRN handle, right? And it's gonna be black liners, but it does have a satin finish 9CR18 MOV blade, right? You're gonna see what that is in just a moment. This guy right here in the top corner, this is the Kershaw leak. I did an unbox on this guy in the channel. If you haven't already seen that, check it out. I'm EDCing this guy so I can provide you guys with a review. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Smash the like button. The review on this guy is coming up. Same with the Ortis, right? I'm going to be reviewing the Ortis in about a week or two. Also going to be EDCing it so I can get some impressions on it, get some feedback, and put together a comprehensive review for you guys. So out of the box, just like all Civivi knives, we have a nice pouch here, Civivi branding, right? The website in the back, nice zipper pouch, which is really nice. You open it up and you have all the goodies inside. Of course, you can have the knife. Right, we're gonna get to that there in just a moment. Some silica gels, a nice wipe cloth right there to keep your knife nice and shiny and clean from elements. Some maintenance and warranty information. Some stickers, of course, right, from Civivi. So let's go ahead and put those on the table here, just so you guys know exactly everything that is on the pouch there. And of course, we have the knife itself. We'll take this guy out of the plastic there, and here it is. All right, it is blue FRN, okay, and it is a nice satin finish. I think it was what is it again, 9CR18 MOV blade. But I gotta tell you guys, I've been eyeing this guy for a long time. Look at this action right here. This is amazing, right? One-handed action all day, every day. This is awesome, right? It is a liner lock, not a frame lock, but a liner lock right there. So you do push this guy over to the right, allows you to move the blade slowly, get your finger out of harm's way, and then slowly close it. Look at that. You also do it this way, right? Just use gravity, right, to your advantage right there. Like Civivi knives have the big C branding right there in the pivot, right? And of course you can flip it open, right? That is the obvious way to open it. You could slow open, I think. You could thumb open it right here for sure. Let me see. I want to say I've done it before. Maybe not. Reverse flick. I think for sure this is going to work.
Bruh.
There it is. It takes quite a little bit of getting used to it, but eventually, right? I think this one you have to put a lot of pressure on it to be able to reverse flick it, but it is possible. There it is, right? With practice, right? I think if you give it a swing, also helps quite a bit. Again, this knife just came out of the box, so it's not broken in at all. That would explain why I'm struggling a little bit on this unboxing, trying to do the reverse flick. But I think I got to figure it out right there, right? I don't know why from time to time, boom, there it is, right? Of course, you could do the fancy backwards, right? Not one called reverse flick, but backwards middle finger open like that, right? That's pretty neat. Could do that as well. But again, I mean, take a look at this guy, right? It is a dip carry pocket clip, which is nice. I think a lot of Civivis have this same pocket clip, and that allows for the knife to sit nice and hidden in your pocket, right? None of it is going to show above the pocket line. Other than that, yeah, everything in the liners is all blacked out, which makes it look really nice as well. You have a back spacer right here as well. And again, this is not a review, right? Just giving you some first impressions on the knife, right? Trying to give you some quick first impressions. All right, so in wrapping things up, we have what seem to be about T6 and also T6. It might be T6 all the way around for all the screws there. But again, guys, listen to that opening. That sound is addicting. Right, so that is awesome, 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 awesome. Again, just a quick summarize. FRN scales, I like them in blue because I don't have any blue knife up until this point. All the liners, pocket clip is black. This is a satin finish, 19 CR18 MOV, right? And I mean, just look at the shape of the Ortis blade right there. I'm gonna give it a little bit of exposure to the light on this side, a bit of exposure to the key light on this side as well. I mean, one very sexy knife right there. So quick unboxing impressions. Link for this guy will be in the description. The Civivi Ortis comes in on Amazon about $39.95, right? $39.95. That is a great deal for this guy. You could also get it, of course, all blacked out if you wanted to. You could even option for some very, very fancy options like this nice, what is this? Damascus, of course, with some carbon fiber handles. I mean, just like the Elementum, this is one of those designs that, again, I mean, 40 bucks, and it has that awesome opening action right there, right? That is an amazing knife. I'm excited for EDC in this guy. All right, can't wait to EDC this knife over the next few weeks. Come back to you guys with some impressions on it. All right, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some value, give you a comprehensive review. This has been a quick unboxing. If you made it this far, guys, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget the affiliate link is gonna be in the description. If you use those links, the channel may be compensated in a very small way. It means no difference to the price you're paying, and it definitely helps out the channel quite a lot. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.